Around the fire I felt the pressure. Fear was louder than my faith. I said the words I never wanted and walked away in shame. The voices said that I had failed you, that I was too far gone. But mercy waited at the